I am Abeer Rao. Welcome back to my channel AR Codemy, and today I'll be showing you a Python script that I've written which will give you the latest movie on IMDB. Let's look at the code. Here we are importing requests and beautiful soup. Beautiful soup is for web scraping. We are setting the base URL here, and this headers is for when we call the request.get to actually get the page. This is the user agent. If you don't know what it is, you can just Google my user agent and it will give you that. We are initializing the page over here by using request.get, the base URL, and then we are passing in the headers. Here we are creating a beautiful SOAP object with the contents of the page, and we are creating an HTML parser because we want to get all the content of it. Now we are getting the title of the movie. So we are finding anything with the class lister header item, and I'll show you what that is. If I go to Firefox and I click inspect element and then I select this tool, so as you can see, when I hover over this class is lister item header. So we are getting the first object of this lister item header. After that, we're getting the A tag, and this A tag inside the lister item header H3 span is the name of the movie. So as you can see, it highlights Wonder Woman 1984. This is in an A tag. So we're getting the name, then we're printing it out, then we are adding it to the file called movies.txt with normal open and write syntax in Python. Then we are calling this function that we have written. So if I execute this code by writing Python main.py, it is running, and here we go, it prints out Wonder Woman 1984. If we go over to movies.txt, we get Wonder Woman 1984. If we go over to IMDB, this is the latest movie listed on there. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.